My name is Leslie Fell, and we're at Fell's Meadows Farms. Fells is for the hills in Scotland, in the UK, and then there's so many meadows here. And it's a property of over 100 acres with a 6-bedroom 1860s farmhouse that was renovated, and a yurt and various havens, which are refuge cabins. I was called to create a place in nature that is wellness focused on body, mind, heart, and soul. This place is to be shared and to be an invitation to any individual who needs time to be away from their busy lives, couples to be together and have some intimate time together, groups to come. I host my own retreats, but also have this place for facilitators to come to bring their groups and know that it's a safe and private space. The Tourism Relief Fund enabled me to really take a leap with the vision. And it enabled me to have cabins insulated to extend the season, the wood stove and the yurt, wayfinding, so enabling signage and maps to be put in place. I was able to put in the dug well in the valley and solar. And so on Haven on the Hilltop, there's little solar panels up above, and so now people can charge their phone or, to have a light besides the tap lights. And then in the valley, the solar is there now, water, and the biggest project was completing Haven's Hub. And so that is a cabin that has a kitchenette, a solar shower, compost toilet, and it serves the guests who have booked a haven. Or if there's a larger group and some of them are in the cabins, then there's another place to have a shower and to use the bathroom without having to go up to the farmhouse. I warmly welcome you to come to Fells Meadows and experience the magic.